All right, in this video, we're going to walk through how to use preset keywords so that way you can go and you can generate reports with them. So, what you're going to do is you're going to either start a new search or you can just open up a previous search. I'll just go ahead and open up this one right here. And you can go ahead and delete your keywords. And then what you have is this import preset section. So what you'll see is you have a pain point report, demand signal, tool and product mention report, audience profile report, content gap, sentiment report, and buyer language report. And once you click on one of these, you'll see that it imports keywords that the system will go look to find. So that way, then you can generate a report around those keywords. So, for example, if you import the pain point keywords, then you'll be able to run a pain point report. If you import the demand signal report or keywords, then you'll be able to run a demand signal report. So it's very important that you make sure if you're wanting to run a certain report that you import the specific keywords that you are looking for. So once you do that, you'll have your keywords. You run your search just as normal. Once that search is done, it pulls up, of course, your list of results, and then you can click on the create report. Now, again, you just got to make sure that you used the proper keywords in order to run the report. So, for example, I used the pain point import keywords, the pain point keywords, so I could run a pain point report. So then I would select the pain point report, generate report, and then once that report is done, you'll see that under the report section right here. And we can see that this one is a past one we ran. I can go ahead and click on preview. And now you'll see this entire report with things that are the most common problems that people within this industry are having. So, for example, this was one that we ran for GHL. And one of the biggest things that people had problems with that were mentioned in posts over and over and over was offer creation and business positioning. And so this was really important because now we can, one, we can see how often this shows up, obviously enough to make this number one. We can see that there's evidence showcasing this from the different posts that were made about it. And then it also provides you with content opportunities that you can go and create that now you can give to people or use as lead magnets or even just to build a proposition or an offer to people. And it gives you these content opportunities based off of the problem. So we can see that this was the first pain point, second pain point, third pain point, fourth pain point, fifth pain point. I mean, all the way through. So it gave us about, let's see, 12 different pain points that it found across the different um, uh, posts that we scanned through. So that is how obviously you go about creating a report and using those presets. And it's just really simple. Again, you can either use a previous search that you already had, or you can create a new search and do it. And all you're going to do is, again, import the presets based on the type of report that you want to go run. So, first, you got to import the keywords for that specific report, run the search, get your search, click generate report, and then make sure you generate the same report based off the same keywords that you just ran the search on. And then you'll have your report right here under this section that now you can go use to your benefit.